Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to join Hamster Kombat on Telegram. If you are ready to join the fun and raise your virtual fighting rodent in Hamster Kombat, then here is a step-by-step guide to get you started. First of all, you will need to download the Telegram application on your device. Open your Google Play Store or your App Store and then get to the search box at the top and type in Telegram. Make sure you download and install the Telegram application and launch it open after it is completed with the installation. Now go ahead and make sure that you're signed into your Telegram account, and once you're inside, if you've recently received an invitation link from Hamster Kombat from one of your friends, you can simply open up the message that you received and tap on the launch button or simply tap on the link. Once you select the link, you will then be able to open up the Hamster Kombat bot within your Telegram app. If you want to join into Hamster Kombat without clicking on any referral link, then all you need to do is open up Telegram application and log into your Telegram account and go to the search icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on the search icon, type in Hamster Kombat in the search box. Look for the Hamster Kombat bot with a blue tick on it and then tap on it. This will then open you up the Hamster Kombat bot, from where you'll need to tap on the start button. After you tap on start, it will open up the play option at the bottom left. Once you tap on play, you will then be able to open up Hamster Kombat main exchange page. You might be prompted to grant some permissions for the game to function within Telegram. After it is done, you have successfully joined in the Hamster Kombat arena on Telegram. So that's how you can easily join into Hamster Kombat using the Telegram application. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.